guys, it's Celia and I'm back with another video. Today I have this 3-in-1 half wig from Hergivenhair. They specialize in natural hair extensions, they have clip-ins and wigs and more. So I have their Coily 18-inch texture and length. This is a 3C for a curl type, which definitely matches mine, and it's in a natural color. So just showing you guys what the hair looks like before we get to styling it. Super duper pretty, and y'all, this hair is so soft. This is probably some of the softest hair I've had in like a wig or anything. So this is what the inside cap looks like. It is a one size fits all. It has different combs around the perimeter of it, and then it does have these little strings on the side if you want to just adjust the cap, make it tighter, as well as a drawstring. So I've already washed, conditioned my hair, and I left some leave-in conditioner in it, and I'm just going to start prepping my hair. So this is, like I said, a half wig. So I am going to part out the perimeter of my hair so that when I attach the half wig, I can make it nice and blendable with my own texture as well, which you guys will see. So I am just going to straighten this out with my rat tail comb off camera, and then I did do the exact same thing to the other side. So just leaving that out, and then for the back, I am going to actually put my hair into 2 chunky braids just because I do not know how to cornrow, y'all. Okay, if you're like me, you don't know how to cornrow, or maybe you're just being lazy, just need something quick and easy, you can do this. I'm just going to put my hair into 2 chunky braids, sectioning my hair off, obviously detangling it and braiding it on up. So super duper quick. And then to lay it flat, I kind of just wrap the ends to the opposite side and secure with a bobby pin. So now I'm just going to attach the half wig, starting with the front comb, just putting it right at my part that I have. And I really like that this has an invisible hairline. You can't see any kind of weft or anything. That helps to, you know, make everything blend seamlessly. So then I just secure the back, or bottom comb, and then the sides, and then I will just go in and adjust the drawstring so it's nice and secure. So I am going to do half of this wig as a braid out and then the other half as a twist out, just so you guys can kind of see how you can get this to really mimic your hair and different hairstyles. So I'm just treating this like I would treat my natural hair. I'm working in sections, spraying down the hair with water, detangling it. I am going to add some foam or mousse to it to help moisturize it and give it some hold, even though, like I said, this hair is super duper soft, and as you guys can see, it does have a little bit of shedding, but that was literally 1 strand. I really was impressed with the fact that not a lot of hair comes out of this. So yeah, the curl definition looks so good once I put the mousse on there, and I'm just going to go ahead and braid this on up, and then I'll show you how I blend my hair with the top. So once I got to the top, I did just leave, of course my hair was already out, but I left some of the wig hair out just so that I could braid them together, and I'll do the other side on the side that I twist, and that is just really going to help my hair kind of get not tangled but a little intertwined with it, so that when I take it out, you're not really going to be able to see where my hair is compared to the wig hair. So it'll just all look like one set of hair, which is what we want. So now on this side, I'm doing the exact same steps and putting the foam through my hair. It makes my curls look so nice and juicy. Like if I wanted to, I could have even done like a wash and go, which would have looked super duper cute. But now I'm just going to 2-strand twist this side, and y'all know twists are super duper quick and easy, so I'm just going to do that real quick, and then I'll show you guys the like takedown and all that. Alright, so I just let my hair air dry overnight. Since I did use a mousse, it did dry pretty quickly. So this is what the braids and twists are looking like. And then once I unraveled the braid side, this is what it looked like. Literally looks just like I took down my own braid out. So nice and defined, nice and soft. And then this is the twist outside. I wish I did the twist a little bit smaller, but still nice and defined. So now I'm just going to go to the separation part, and I feel like it's separated super easy. It naturally like just kind of came apart nicely. So I'm gonna separate this side, then I'm gonna separate the twist side and show you guys what that looks like. And I don't think I mentioned, but the reason this is a 3-in-1 half wig is because you can obviously use it for this flip over method like me. You can use it to create ponytails and buns. You can use it as a headband wig. Of course, you just got to get your own headband. Like, there's so many different ways you can use this. So this is what the hair is looking like. One side is the twist out, and then the other side is the braid out. I definitely was loving the definition of the braid out, but also loving the volume of the twist out. So you can wear it like that. Of course, you can also just do a wash and go if you want. So super duper cute. And then if you want to kind of even make this like a little bit more natural, you can kind of like flip your hair over a little bit like to the side. I didn't really do that just because I have two different textures. I have a braid out and a twist out texture, so it's not gonna blend perfectly, but you guys kind of get the gist of what I'm trying to show you. So let me know if you guys would try this half wig, and if you want to, if you are interested and you like what you see, definitely go to Hergivenhair. I will have all the links and everything down below. They are having a 10-year huge anniversary sale, so you can save up to $150 on your purchase depending on how much you spend. So I'll put the discount code down in the comments and the description box. It's ANNIV 10, which is ANNIV 10, but again, I'll put it where you guys can see it, and you guys can get your hands on some of their really good products, including this half wig. So let me know your guys' thoughts. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video.